think there's an easier way to fill those up, Mitchell.
Almost.
Tied it off. It's got a little bit of water in it.
Maybe a teaspoon.
If you throw it hard enough, it'll pop.
Nope.
Okay, we aren't actually doing just balloons today. We're doing a rock. Because you guys said so.
Lift the rock up.
You do the on it. Don't lose it though. Pop it out.
Just a little thicker there.
Just a little bit. It's got a little bit of a stubby head, but the rest of it actually looks really clean. And that's the hole left by it. Okay, think you can get it to...
Oh yeah, that's a rock for sure.
That's a rock. What surface are you gonna stick it in?
I'm gonna start with the snow.
I think there's a high probability of you getting it to stick in there.
I'm not exactly sure how to hold it. Feels pretty good. A little finger grip right there.
That looks about right. And
I missed.
we'll give you another chance.
Almost missed.
Yeah, it's stuck in there. Okay, it's washed off. It passed all of our quality control tests and
Shipping it off to Batman.